Hello, everyone. Welcome to Learning English at Home. My name is Ethan. Today, we talk about a very common problem. The question is, why do I translate in my head when I speak English? Maybe you feel this. You want to speak English, but first you think in your language. Then you try to translate. Then you speak. And you speak slowly. Sometimes you stop. Sometimes you forget words. Sometimes you feel nervous. Does this sound like you? If yes, don't worry. This is very normal. Many English learners have this problem. But today, I will help you. You will learn why translation makes you slow, how to reduce translation, how to speak faster, and a simple daily practice method. And at the end, we will practice together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Let's understand the problem. When you translate, your brain does 3 steps. Step 1, think in your language. Step 2, translate to English. Step 3, speak. This takes time. That is why you speak slowly. That is why you pause. That is why you feel stress. Let's imagine. You want to say, I am tired today. But first, you think in your language. Then you translate. Then you speak. This is slow. Now imagine something different. You already know the sentence, I am tired today. You don't translate. You just say it. This is fast. So the problem is not your English level. The problem is how your brain works. And we can train your brain. Part 2. You don't need to stop translation 100%. Now listen carefully. Many learners think, I must stop translating completely. But this is not true. Translation is normal, especially at the beginning. So don't fight it. Instead, reduce it. How? By using simple English patterns. Patterns are short sentence structures. For example, I want to, I need to, I like to, I think, I feel. When you practice these patterns many times, your brain remembers them, and later you speak automatically. No translation. Let's try. Repeat after me. I want to learn English. I want to drink coffee. I want to go home. Good. Now you see, you are not translating. You are using a pattern. This is the key. Now I will give you a simple system. You can do this every day, only 15 minutes. Step 1. Choose a short dialogue. Step 2. Listen one time. Relax. Step 3. Repeat each sentence 2 times. Step 4. Find 3 patterns. For example, I need to, I want to, I am going to. Step 5. Make your own sentences. Speak out loud. Example, I need to study tonight. I need to call my friend. I need to practice English. Step 6. Record your voice. Speak for 30 seconds, then listen again. This is very important because when you listen, you learn faster. Many learners try to speak long sentences. This is a mistake. Long sentences mean more translation. More translation means slow speaking. So what should you do? Speak simple English. Start with one sentence, then two sentences, then three sentences. Example: I am tired. I worked all day. I need to rest. Simple, clear, fast, and correct. Simple English is powerful. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. I can speak English. I don't need to translate. I can use simple sentences. Very good. Now say this 3 times. I can speak English step by step. I will speak faster every day. Great job! Now your challenge. Comment and say, I will stop translating and practice sentence patterns. And speak this. Hello, my name is blank. I am learning English. I practice every day. I want to speak faster. Record your voice, 20 seconds. Do it today. Remember, you don't need perfect English. You need simple English. You don't need to stop translation completely. You need to reduce it step by step. And you don't need more time. You need a simple daily routine. Thank you for listening. See you in the next episode. Keep practicing, and remember, simple practice every day helps you speak faster. Goodbye.